We're going on a field trip today. I finally bought a dust collector. Let's go get it. So we're off to see my buddy Steve. He lives on the other side of town from me. He's a super talented woodworker and a really cool guy. He puts together like a local woodworkers meetup like once a month, and it sort of bounces between his shop and a couple of other shops in the area. And I don't know, maybe a year ago at one of these meetups, he was like, hey, I'm gonna be upgrading my dust collector. If you are interested in this one, let me know and I will sell it to you for a good price. And I said, yeah, absolutely. Kind of forgot about it. And then recently, maybe like a month ago, he was like, hey, I'm selling this thing. Do you want it? Before I offered up to anyone else. And I said, yes, absolutely, I do. Let me text you next week when I know when I can come out and get it. That was a month ago, and I just completely forgot about it. And so he texted me this morning. He was like, hey, dude, you ever gonna come get your shit? And I said, oh, I guess I need to come do that. So here we are. It's not the best day, but I'm sure he's sick of this thing being in his shop. I got a tarp, and it might even fit under the cover of the truck, so not too worried about getting it home, but doing a little after work mission to go get it. What's up? So this is Steve. This is his shop. He's a super awesome woodworker. Like I said, he does the local meetup group. Okay, so you just did it with
and I glued this here so that this could run on the inside.
But he upgraded to this guy. If you remember, you probably recognize this behemoth from Malecki's shop. So Steve is the proud new owner of that because John upgraded to some even more absurd one. And like a year ago, probably, right, Steve? We talked about this at one of the meetups, and he was like, hey, I'm going to be selling this eventually. Do you want it? And I sort of soft agreed to it. And then like a month ago, he's like, hey, it's yours if you want it. We agreed on the price, and then I forgot about it. So it's a month later. He's sick of it being in his shop. Wow. Do you have compressed air that reaches the door? Oops. Ta-da! This is a Grizzly. Let me read some facts to you. Grizzly 2 horsepower, 220, 12 amp dust collector. Good as used. I also was lucky enough to get a remote. It's like you plug this in and then plug the dust collector into this, and it has a remote, so we'll be able to turn it on and off from the table saw. That's super exciting. It also came with a splitter with a 4 and a 3-inch thing. I think that the main spout is a 6-inch, so we have some options there. I also got a brand new, still in the bag, filter bag, the top part. I guess these kind of get gross after a while, but that one seems to be in good shape. I might blow it out with a, the compressed air at some point, but I think it's gonna work. I am very, very excited about this. Still need to figure out how I'm gonna run the thing as far as the dust hose out of the table saw. The main thing that this is for is the saw stop that we bought a while ago. I need to have a dust collection system for that. I will also probably spout off for maybe the bandsaw and potentially some other stuff that we get in the future. I just don't exactly know where to put this thing. Something like that would work. I ran out and bought some hose for it. I also bought these magnetic, it's like a magnetic connection thing. Because the main purpose of this is going to be for the table saw, but I thought it would be nice to have the quick connect if I want to vacuum up sawdust on the floor or something with it in the meantime. So we're gonna call it a video here. I think we're gonna be tearing out this back wall and redoing the workbench back here in a future video, because I think that the dust collector wants to live in this corner, potentially. Still got to do some thinking on that and figure out what we want to do, but all that will be in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed. Leave me a comment down below if you want to say what's up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.